welcome dear students of class 4. Welcome to your next English class. Students, today we are going to move to our grammar portion. In the previous video of your grammar portion, we studied about the present simple tense. Today we are going to move to the part 2 of this tense. Let's get started. So students, let's have some revision. In the previous video, you have studied about the present simple tense and how to make a present simple tense. We studied the present simple tense generally shows your routines, your daily habits, okay, all the things that you perform regularly, okay. And in this tense, we also studied the formation. That was, first of all, you write the subject, then you write the verb, and then you write any kind of object. Or if you write only subject or verb, that's also okay. Students, we also studies that with the subject such as she, such as he, such as it, or singular noun. Let's suppose train is a noun, but it is also singular, okay, it is one train. Or mom, it's only one mom. So whenever there is a he, she, it, or any singular noun, we use s with the verb. You can see that here is the verb walks. Walk is a verb, you have added s to its end, okay. And same goes for the singular noun. You know the train is a singular noun. Trains is a plural, but train is a singular, so you have added s at the end of it, okay. But with the verbs, with the subject like I, we, you, they, or if there is any plural noun, we do not use s. For example, we have written here, we go to gymnasium every Sunday. I like chocolates. You take tea. Okay, so with these subjects, you will not add s to the end of the verb. Okay, so that was your revision. Let's come. In the previous video, we have studied only the simple sentences or the positive sentences. Today, we are going to study the negative, interrogative, and interrogative plus negative sentences. First of all, let's come to the negative sentences. What is a negative sentence? A sentence that shows negation. यानी कि ऐसा सेंटेंस जिसमें क्या हो, इनकार हो. लेट्स सपोज आपने एक सिंपल सेंटेंस लिखा, शी वॉक्स स्लोली, वो आहिस्ता चलती है. शी डज नॉट वॉक स्लोली, मतलब वो आहिस्ता नहीं चलती. मतलब यहाँ पे आपने एक नहीं वर्ड यूज करना होता है, नॉट यूज करना होता है, ओके. वर्ब की कौन सी फॉर्म यूज होगी? ऑलवेज. फर्स्ट फॉर्म helping verb. There are two helping verbs that are used in these sentences, do and does, okay. And this again here is a rule. If you have subjects like I, we, you, they, or any plural noun, okay, or any plural noun, then you will use the helping verb do. Which helping verb will you use? Do. But if you have he, she, it, or any singular noun, for example bird, okay, this is singular bird, only one bird, okay, with these subjects we will always use does. Do you understand that, students? With these subjects we will use do, and with these subjects we will use does. Okay, so let's come to the formation of negative sentences. First of all, you will write the subject, then you will write the helping verb do or does, then you will write not, and then you will write verb plus object. For example, she, helping verb is does, okay, because she, with she we will use does. Not, verb is here is listen, object is to me. We, helping verb do, not, verb is like, object is movies. Asan is a subject. With Asan is a singular noun. Okay, Asan is a name, you know. Noun is a naming word. Asan is a name, and with name we can always use does. Not clean his room. I do not eat mangoes. Okay, students, here is a rule. While using does, जब भी आपने does यूज करना है, we remove the s from the verb. हम क्या करेंगे? वर्ब से s हटा देंगे. शी के साथ सेंटेंस कैसा होगा? वैसे अगर आप पीछे जाएं थोड़ा सा, शी वॉक्स स्लोली, ठीक है. जब इसके साथ डज हट जाएगा, शी डज नॉट, फिर इसके साथ क्या आएगा? वॉक. एस यहाँ से हट जाएगा. she does not walk slowly. Okay, दूसरा सेंटेंस पर आ जाए, mom makes breakfast. Mom does not make breakfast. We will remove the s. यानी कि जब हमने क्या लगानी है, जब हमने does लगानी है तो हम क्या करेंगे, s को वर्ब से हटा देंगे. She does not listen to me. Okay, ये ऐसे नहीं होगा she does not listens to me. ये होगा she does not listen to me. We do not like movies. Asan does not clean his room. I do not eat mangoes. I hope you have understood this. Okay, next sentences are the interrogative sentences or the sentence that ask a question. In this sentence, there is always a question mark. It means इसमें आप क्या करते हैं, कोई क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं. Write the formation. First of all, write down do or does, helping verb. Okay, then subject, then verb, then object. यानी कि जो सिंपल सेंटेंस होता है सब्जेक्ट वर्ब ऑब्जेक्ट, उसके आगे आपने हेल्पिंग वर्ब लगा देना है डू और डज का, एंड एंड में क्वेश्चन मार्क. दिस इज द सिंबल ऑफ एन इंट्रोगेटिव क्वेश्चन. यू ऑलवेज पुट अ क्वेश्चन मार्क एट द एंड ऑफ द सेंटेंस. ओके, सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल, डू यू लाइक टू गो शॉपिंग एट द क्वेश्चन मार्क. मीन्स यहाँ पे इसका मतलब क्या दिया जाएगा, क्या आपको शॉपिंग पर जाना पसंद है. डू दे वॉच मूवीज. Does mom make tea? Does she listen to you? Now students, note down here with the subjects like you and they, we have used do, and with the subjects like mom, like she, we have used does. Okay, I hope now you have clearly understood the rule of do and does and the rule of s adding s to the verb. If there is a does, we will not use s here. If it is a does, we will not use s in this verb. The last questions are interrogative plus negative sentences. This sentence is basically a combination of an interrogative person and a negative person. There are both of the things, a negation and at the end there is a question. You can recognize this sentence by looking at the formation. There is not, and at the end there is a question mark, so it means it's a combination of both of these sentences. First of all, you will write helping verb plus then subject plus not, then verb, then object, and at the end here's a question mark. Okay, so let's have an example. Do you not like to go shopping? इसका कैसे होगा, इसका मतलब क्या आपको शॉपिंग पर जाना पसंद नहीं. ठीक है, लेट्स हैव एन एग्जांपल ऑफ द प्रीवियस. थोड़ा कंपेयर करें बोथ ऑफ दी सेंटेंसेस. इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस वाज डू यू लाइक टू गो शॉपिंग, क्या आपको शॉपिंग पर जाना पसंद है. और इंट्रोगेटिव प्लस नेगेटिव है डू यू नॉट लाइक टू गो शॉपिंग, क्या आपको शॉपिंग पर जाना पसंद नहीं. ओके, लेट्स हैव अदर एग्जांपल. डू दे नॉट वॉच मूवीज. Does mom not make tea? Does she not listen to you? Okay students, the same rule is here. With I, we, you and they or any plural noun, you will always use do, and with the he, she, it or any singular noun, you will always use does. And when we use does, we will remove the s from the verb, the last s or es that we added in the simple sentence. I hope you have understood clearly, and if not, you can also ask us on the WhatsApp group, or you can watch the video again to learn it properly. So let's come to your homework students. Make the negative, interrogative and interrogative plus negative sentences of the following. You are given here 5 sentences. You have to change these sentences into negative, interrogative and interrogative plus negative sentences. It means for each sentence you have to make 3 sentences. Number 1 question, we enjoy parties a lot. Number 2, mom makes delicious food. Number 3, father washes his car. Number 4, here it is his, okay. Number 4, cat chases the rat. And 5, they go for fishing every month. Okay students, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, Allah Hafiz.